All right, guys, for our math lesson, we're going to practice our coins, our money. That's what we're doing. So one of our questions is going to be coin related or money related. Okay? Let's go over the coins. I'm going to mix them up this time. All right. I see Jefferson and a building. What is this? Nickel, 5 cents. Good. Next one. Torch. Roosevelt. Has bumps around the edges. It's kind of small. What is it? Yep. Dime, 10 cents. Next one. Abraham Lincoln. A building. It's the only copper one. Penny. And most kids know the penny, huh? 1 cent. All right, this one. Washington. An eagle. What do you think? 25 cents. Do you remember the quarter song? 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. So if you have 3 quarters, how much do you have? 75. How about 2 quarters? 50, 25, 50. Good. All right, here's my first question, and it has to do with these little treats right here. Now I was deciding which one do I want to buy. Let's pretend Miss Herbal wants to buy these fruit roll-ups. They cost 40 cents. Now don't just do the easy one with the tens. Try 2 different ways if you get that one pretty fast. I want to buy these fruit roll-ups that cost 40 cents. Use your board and draw a way that you could make 40 cents to buy the fruit roll-ups. Ready? Go. I'm going to find my marker while you guys try to solve that. Okay. Found my marker. All right, fruit roll-ups, 40 cents. There's a couple ways you could have done it. The easiest way, and I think a lot of you probably did it this way, to make 40 cents, you probably just did all dimes. Did you do that? Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40. But there's a couple of other ways that you can make 40. Did you think of it? What if I wanted to make it use a quarter? 25, but that's not enough, is it? I'm trying to get to 40. So let's see, 25. If I add another 10, 25, and 10 more is 35. Still not enough. 35, I'm trying to get to 40, so I'm going to need 5 more. Did you try that way? 25, 35, and then 5 more is 40. Good. How about 25 and 35, just like we did, but then I don't remember, so I could do 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Could I do it that way? Yeah, lots of different ways. What you probably don't want to do is do 40 pennies. You could do that, but it takes a really long time. And you'll be like the little granny at Walmart. 1, 2. So you won't want to do that. Usually people try to use at least a quarter if it's a big number. We've talked about that. All right, ready? The next thing I want to buy is, let's change the price to this one. Potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. What do you mean you don't like mashed potatoes? They're delicious. All right, 65 cents for these mashed potatoes. 65 cents. All right, how are you going to make 65 cents? Good, and remember, it's 65 is a bigger number, so I always told you to use some quarters. What did you know about quarters to get to 65 cents? Did you remember the quarter song? 25, 50, 75. Now 75 is too big, but 2 quarters is how much? 50, right, so let's start with that. 2 quarters, that's 50, and I'm trying to get to 65. So I still need some more money. So 50, 10 more would be 60, right? 60, and I need to get to 65. Well, a 5 is just another nickel. 65. Good. Now, some of you probably like to use dimes, so you love those tens. Is that okay? Yeah, let's try to use dimes for 65. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then a 5. 65. I could use a nickel. 65. Good job. Erase it, Speedy, quick. Good job. All right. Now, let's do an adding problem. I'm just going to be making up the numbers because I forgot to write them down. Let's pretend Addie and her little sister are going to Walmart. Okay, listen. Addie had, let's give her $25. Lucky duck. And her sister had $30. That's not fair. She had more money, didn't she? And they want to go shopping at Walmart. They're thinking they're going to put their money together to buy something big. So Addie has $25 and her sister has $30. How much money would that be? You try it. Oh, I got ugly tens going on here. All right, now you could have done it two different ways. You could write the equation, 25 plus 30, as long as you keep your ones with your ones and your tens with your tens. All right, 5 plus 0 is still 5. 2 tens plus 3 tens is, whoop, miserable. 2 tens plus 3 tens is 5 tens, so how much money do they have? They have $55. Now, if you wanted to use some tens and ones and draw the pictures, that's great too. Here's 25, 10, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. And here's 30, 10, 20, 30. Then you add them up. Count all your tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Say, oh, that was super easy. And it was pretty easy. Good. Now, we're probably going to do a little bit more math tomorrow, but for today, that's your lesson. I'm really disappointed. We were supposed to go on our treasure hunt for St. Patrick's Day. So, I guess we'll be having a treasure hunt in April when we're back to school. Go on Prodigy, go to MobyMax, practice your addition and subtraction facts, go to the Dollar Tree and get yourself a pack of flashcards. Do something, but keep learning. Bye, guys.